Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divagaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today I am going to speak about the total guidance on Vastu. First, digging the spot where we have to lay the stone. Proper place must be selected for the first digging. If the construction is made in the month of Taurus, Leo, Vrchik, Kumbh are very best. All these rashis are constant rashis or sthira rashis. First of all, we dig the soil and lay down in Muhurta. Check out the Muhurta. And stone must be the 10th place of the sun. Then the 10th place is known as the place of earth. Then we perform the Vastu Puja. Then the Vastu Purusha will please the native, and the construction will be very easy and finish. Next will be fixing the main door or frame. Select a fixed Lagna, Rohini, Mrigashirsha, Uttara, Chitra, Anuradha, Uttradam, Uttra Bhadra, and Revati are good starts for the main door fixing. That will be the Tithi, and starts must be good as given above. Tidho Shubhayam Shubhatenugule Tari. Tithi must be good. Paurnami or Tidhiya or Didhiya. Don't take Chaturthi, Chaturdashi, etc. And the nakshatras are as the Bharani, Pura, Pururutadi are not good for taking the fixing the main door. Wednesday and Friday are good. Divide the plinth area of the east, south, west and north to 9 equal parts. If the main door is to face the east, from the north east to south east, the second division gives much wealth and were daughters. In the third division there will be heavy finance, and in the fourth part there will be much royal favor. For compound gate, in the east, divide the length of the plot from north to east to south to east into 9 equal parts, and utilize the second, third or fourth division or all for the east compound. If your house is facing to east, northeast is good for your main door. For compound gate, in the east, divide the length of the plot from north to east to south to east into 9 equal parts divisions, and utilize the second, third or fourth divisions or all for the east compound gate. For the compound gate in the south or the main door in the south, divide the plot premises and plinth area into 9 equal divisions from southeast to southwest, and use the fourth division from the southeast to get the more stones and food. On the west side and the compound gate, and if your house is facing to west, you have to keep your main gate in the southwest of the plot. That will be good. If the house is facing to north, Northeast side will be good for fixing the main door. On the north side, the compound gate and the main door posted are got by measuring the northwest to northeast lightning of the plot. And similarly, we have to keep it up, the main doors. East facing house. East is ruled by sun. When the house faces the east and main door is there, keep more open land in the east and north side of the and less open lands in the west and south. The southeast is ruled by Venus. Southeast of the pot must be less plain and lower than the southwest level. The level must be of the same level of the northwest level. This will then give prosperity and good progeny. If this land is more and the will be accidents, diseases, debts, loss of progeny and premature death. South facing houses. South is ruled by Mars. When the house faces the south, keeps less open land in the west and south and the more lands in the east and north. If the south land area is more irregular and lower than the north land level, there will be loss of money, financial constraints and premature death. If the south levels is higher than the north level, there will be prosperity, health and wealth. So, well in the northeast gives, that is the Kumbha Rashi or Meen Rashi or Mesha Rashi, that will be good. If the well is in the Sagittarius Rashi, the ladies in the house become very proud and they create quarrel in the house, and the person who lived in the house will not get the happiness, and the unnecessary diseases will be occur. Family quarrels and early death of family members well in the northwest will cause conflicts and quarrels in the house and loss of wealth. Well in the north, near the northeast, is very good for getting wealth and prosperity. Well in the west gives dominance to woman, wicked wife and illness. Well in the south, west gives danger to life, prolonged illness and attacks from enemies. Well in the southeast, that will be the diseases in the family members and also unhappy and the give danger to life, prolonged illness and attacks from enemies. When in the east, near northeast, is good for children and prosperity. If the well is in the east, near the southeast, there will be loss of children and loss of children. The children will be quarrel and family members, enemies, troubles and illness. Kitchen must be southeast, that is the Agnigon. Best position for kitchen is the southeast. The person and the burner facing the east, and wash basin sink in the north of the burner. It gives family happiness, tasty food and economical spreading. Some prefer the northwest also part of the kitchen as the second best, but experiences have shown that this has stopped the prosperity of the house, brought in the disputes in the family, illness and death to the owner. Kitchen in the northeast is good, but Kitchen is in the southwest. That also theft and prostitution, the accidents. The kitchen in the south brings poverty. Kitchen in the northwest also the 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 problems of disease, death in the family and quarrels. So sleep, while sleeping, keep the head facing the south or east. The next best is to keep head facing to east. Prosperity and happiness will remain in the house if females sleep on their left side or facing down. They must never sleep to the right or facing up. Males must always sleep on their right side or facing up. Keeping underground cellar in the northeast or east. Give more rent only the portions in the south or southwest sides. North and northeast must remain with the owner. Never purchase lands in the south or southwest sides. It is good to purchase lands in the north and east directions. The extensions of land, there should be no portals in the house after construction except on all sides equally. The land must be rectangle or square, that will be good. There should be no construction or digging or exact northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest directions. Constructions of any small structure in the west and south sides is prohibited but can be built on the east and north without touching the main building. For vertical extension, all areas of the south and west must be used. There is no harm in keeping the north and east areas vacant. Effects of the extensions are as under: southwest serious or health problems, south fear of death, north increase of disease, west loss of character of woman members, northwest mental agony, southeast fear from fire and accidents, north is loss of education and will power of the children, east no success, no trade and business. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it and the bell button switch on. I'll come tomorrow with other subjects.